This is how we change the system pump. If your pump ever starts to leak or if it is just worn out, it's a pretty easy replacement, just takes a little bit of time. Here again, you're going to want to lock and tag out your power, relieve your system pressure, and have something down to catch any excess oil that might drip out. First, we're going to reach in back and detach the pump intake line. Then we'll remove the spray point hose. Then we'll remove the bypass hose. And next, using a 9/16 wrench, we have to loosen the two bolts holding the pump to the bell housing. Then, just pulling the pump straight out, the coupling will come apart. Then we'll drop the pump into a vise. And you'll need to remove the elbow on the pump intake, and on the outlet you'll need to use a pipe wrench and turn this assembly this direction, and then for reassembly, just add the new parts. Make sure you do not use dope on these two O-ring fittings going into the pump. Then just reverse your process for reassembly. The only thing about putting the pump back in that's a little difficult is getting the coupling to line up with the bell housing, but you just have these little teeth that mesh with the rubber element. Might take a few tries, but it's not too big a deal.